everybody, welcome back. It's me, Crystal, and today, if you haven't already figured it out, I'm going to be doing a wig review. The wig that I'm going to show you today comes from Love Me Hair, so let's check out the wig. As you can see, I haven't opened the package yet. One thing I can say about Love Me Hair is that their shipping is amazing. I always get my packages within 2 to 3 business days. Over the weekend, I'll add an extra day because it's the weekend, but I've never had to wait more than 4 days tops for anything I've ordered from that site. So I do give them a kudos on their shipping. Alright, so let's open this bad boy up. They come in these pretty purple boxes. And I love this because purple is my favorite color. Last year I put it under my Christmas tree for me. It was my gift to myself last year. You always get some type of accessories package in the box with your wig. I've even gotten flat irons with purchases before. But when you open it up, you got this paper. It says enjoy your hair journey from now on from Love Me Hair. The founder of Love Me Hair, Helena. Little message on that little packing paper. The wigs come in these little bags with the Love Me Hair logo on them. Inside you also get a pack of stocking caps, a 2-piece. And you get these little bags full of little accessories. You get some, let's see, bobby pins. You get a piece of elastic to sew inside of the wig if you like to make it a little tighter and make it a little bit more secure. You get this little bandana to tie down your edges and your baby hairs. You get some tweezers to thin out the front if you want to do a little customizing. These are not the best tweezers, so don't expect a miracle. And here's the little hair clip. You get a little hair clip with the little rhinestones that says Love Me, rag tooth comb. And then you get some instructions basically telling you how to care for the wig and their return policy on the back. I've also gotten these little bands with a couple of my wigs, which I love. Most people just use the stocking cap like I have on right now, but I'm extra, so I use the cap to hold my braids up, and then I put this on because I feel like this makes my wig a little bit more secure. I do not do like the whole wig installs when you do like the glue and the gel, because me personally, I like to take my wigs on and off at night because I crease my scalp and I just like my hair to breathe. I like to be comfortable at night, so being able to take my wig on and off is a plus for me, and these help with that because they have grip and my wigs don't budge, and I don't have to use any like got to be glued or gel or anything like that. I will sometimes use gel, the got to be glued spray and stuff, free spray, when I'm going out and I feel like it's going to be windy, but for the most part I do tend to gear towards the glueless wigs. Alright, so let me give you a little information about this unit before we get started. I will have the link to this unit in the description box down below in case you want to check it out. The website says that this is a 10-inch wig. It is a no-lace hair weave wig. The weight is 200 grams. It is 100% virgin hair from one donor. It lasts for more than a year. The density is 200%. This kind of full. It's natural black and it can be dyed. Adjustable straps on the inside. And the circumference of the wig is 22.5 inches standard, so it's a medium size cap. This wig is on sale for $89.90 on the site right now, but they do have a 27% off discount code or 23% off discount code for certain wigs. And again, you get the little accessory pack inside of the box as well. I don't even think I paid $89 for this wig because I had a discount code. I think I paid like $70 for this wig or something like that. This is a glueless wig. This is a bob with a bang. It comes with this little net around it and some tissue paper inside of the wig to help it keep its shape. This is what the wig looks like. The hair is nice and soft and it has lots of movement to it. This has some bangs in the front. This is a 10-inch wig. I like short bobs. I do not recommend you pulling a wig out of the box or the packaging and slapping it on your head. I always recommend you customize the front of your wig to your face to frame your face, so it looks like it was made for you. Unless you order a customized wig and it's ready for you to pull it out and go, by all means do that. But if you are ordering from a site and it's multiple pieces of that wig, I highly recommend showing it a little love and making it fit and frame your face. The inside of the wig, you have, this one doesn't have the combs. Normally they have the combs, and that's another reason why I do the stocking. I take them out sometimes, but sometimes I leave them in and they tend to snag my hair. But you have this adjustable band back here, so you can tighten it up and make it a little bit more sturdy, secure on your head. This isn't a lace wig, it's a cap. I'm going to show you what this looks like on my head without me customizing it. I'm not going to do any customizations or thinning it out on camera. If you want to see how I customize the front of my wigs, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll upload another video showing that portion of the wig process. I'm just tightening up the straps right now. Normally they do come with the elastic already sewn in. This one doesn't have it for some reason, so I will be sewing that piece of elastic band in this wig myself, because that just helps it feel more secure in my head and it doesn't go anywhere throughout the day. So this is the wig straight out of the box. I didn't do anything to it, no heat on it. No cutting up in the front or anything. It's not bad actually, but I am going to chop up my bangs a little bit, put some heat on it, and then I'll come back and show you the difference between the two looks. This is cute, girl. And I actually don't even need that band in it. Lord, let me find out. This is an easy one. This is a real slap on the go. Shit was a tad bit longer, probably like shoulder length. This is really not that bad shit out the box, to be honest. But yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I lied. I know I was talking mad shit about not pulling the wig out of a box and putting it on your head and customize this and customize that. I literally did next to nothing to this wig. I did straighten out some of those little flapper flips that was in the wig when I first put it on, because I felt like a 1920s flapper girl. And that was not the look I was going for. And I did do a little bit of point cutting in the bang, but really not much at all. I might go back in and do a little bit more, but then again, I don't know. I didn't sew the band in. I don't have on the little headband thing. I just straightened it out basically. This is a true grab and go wig. Like, I like it. It's super easy. I might cut some layers in it when I get a little older, but I didn't do much of anything to it. Normally I have to cut around the face and frame the face. I didn't do anything but straighten this wig out a little bit. So I don't know, I really like it. I always recommend Love Me Hair. Their wigs have good quality. Like I said, the shipping is fast. Their wigs are affordable. They're always having some type of discount code on there. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. I would appreciate it even more if you hit that subscribe button for me. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye. But for the price, I think that these products did a really good job. My least favorite product has to be the concealer. Not that it was bad.